Hello guys, today we are going to unbox this one, the Yiyongle 15 assorted artist brushes. These are has a wooden handles, quality natural bristles. Okay, it has different sizes. So here we go. This is pretty much it. If you want to order this in Google, you can see on how it will look like. Has different sizes, so the size are not indicated on each brushes. You'll be the one who will identify on how big it is. There are no sizes that are indicated on this one, but it has a very good quality. So that's it. Thank you.